Here's how to set up your CupFone 2 View for portrait and landscape modes. CupFone 2 View comes with multiple base cups to perfectly fit in your cup holder. Ensure that only one opening on the bottom is visible at a time. To separate your base cups, align the separator tool with the hole on the bottom of each cup. Push down on the tool to pop each cup until you find the right fit. Insert CupFone 2 View into your cup holder and rotate to the desired position. To view your phone in portrait mode, loosen knob 1 or 2. Slide the holder until the width fits your upright phone. Tighten the knob. To view your phone in landscape mode, loosen both knobs 1 and 2. Slide the holders until the width fits your horizontal phone. Tighten the knobs. Adjust the tilt with knob 3 and enjoy.